What is happiness? Can we find it in a new pair of shoes, a fast car, or a bigger house? Or does real happiness live somewhere else? Hundreds of studies have proved that spending time in nature can make us feel better, both in mind and we are humans, but our planet is filled with different kinds of life forms, such as animals, insects, plants, and many more. Everyone has their place in a great circle of life, from lions and wolves, who are carnivores. Beautiful soaring birds, giant herbivores, elephants, elegant reptiles, and tiny insects to the most intelligent So, let's use our intelligence to find peace within ourselves and stop thinking about things we don't need and enjoy nature as it is pure and beautiful. My name is Anastasia and I like nature because it is the most real and wonderful part of our life.